What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong with the sticker? What, is that blurry?
Huh?
Is the sticker blurry? It's blurry?
My phone is blurry.
My phone's blurry? Let me see your eyes. Open up your eyes. Is your hand blurry? Go like this. Go like that.
Nah.
Your hands are blurry?
Look at it.
Can you see your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at it. My hands are blurry.
No? I can see your hands.
I can't.
Why are your hands blurry?
Because the eye drops.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see me? Am I blurry?
No.
No?
Not blurry.
No? What else is blurry?
My hand.
My hand's blurry?
Yeah.
Is the sticker blurry?
Yeah.
It is. What else is blurry? What else is blurry? What?
What's that?
My phone's already blurry. What about over there? Anything blurry over there?
No.
No? That's your blurry?
Yeah.
They are?
You're blurry.
I'm blurry? Am I? Am I really blurry? Yeah. Is my hat blurry?
Yeah.
Yeah? See, look at my hat. Is it blurry?
The sticker's blurry.
Why are they blurry?
Everything is blurry.
Everything's blurry? Yeah?
I wish I had glasses.
Why?
Mm.
Because everything is blurry?
Yeah.
Everything is blurry? You can't see nothing no more? Are your hands blurry?
Yeah.
Can you see?
No.
Let me see your eyes. What?
I need the picture.
You can't, it's not a picture. It's a movie. You can't see the movie though anyways.
You can watch.
No, because look at. Guess you want to know why you can't see it?
Why?
Because it'll be blurry.
No.
Yeah.